Hey, what's going on, my friends? It is Vasterz, aka G Saves, and I'm back with another update video showing you guys around the server. And we've done a lot. Like it's been it's been really difficult on some things. I'll explain that in a little bit. But just so I don't forget, right now I'll actually put one of the most difficult plugin things that we had to actually deal with. Screenshot, because I can't really show you guys how it works, but it seems like we fixed it. I'm not too sure, but it seems like we did. It was very difficult to set it up and stuff like that, just because the command wasn't working. I had to switch the command to a different command that wasn't on the website. But alright, so you guys aren't confused. This is what's going on. It was an image of pretty much, it was a name tag. So I'll show you guys. And yeah, that right there was it was very difficult to actually do, but it seems like we figured it out. So it actually saves and it doesn't erase and stuff like that for that. But that was one thing we did, which was actually really cool. So my name tag should be owner, the admins, helper, mods, so on and so forth. So no one can pretend to be like an admin or something like that, well, they still could, but not in a way that it would be so I guess you would say you could actually really fall for it. Right now it's a little bit more safe, so hopefully we fixed it though. That was one thing we did, which took a while. It took me like 5 hours to figure that thing out, and then there was an error and I had to, it was crazy, guys. It took me a while. But we managed it, and the funny thing is, I'm gonna explain that real quick. Let me just take it to the hub real quick. Let me take you to the hub. So we're working on the hub. I'm not really sure if I showed you guys this, but here's the hub. It's really basic, I guess you would say. This hub was actually made by, I believe this hub was made by 𝐵𝓊𝓈𝒾𝓃𝓆𝓊𝒾𝓃𝓾e, I think it was, but some things happened, and he just, I don't really want to go into detail. We're still cool, at least as far as I'm aware. It's just that he was building stuff, and the thing about being an admin or a builder and stuff like that is you might put a lot of work into something, like editing a certain plugin to make it look a certain way, or making a certain building to make it awesome looking. I might just not like it, and you might have to revert it back to normal. And if you can't handle that, I guess you would say almost disappointment in a way, because it's sad, because people work really hard for it. But before 𝐵𝓊𝓈𝒾𝓃𝓆𝓊𝒾, I think, wanted this to be a hub. We already had one, but then I was like, the hub that we had is really bad. So I was like, let's get this one, but let's fix it, because it wasn't even and stuff like that. This wasn't even at all. We had to fix that. This I don't think is even either, because it goes by 3, I think it is. And that right there is, it's like yeah, it's not even at all. See, yeah, we have to fix that as well. But after we fix that, it'll be pretty nice. We did change the blocks though. This is not the blocks that he was using. It looked really like Hunger Games, and we're pretty much still not done for it. I think we can do better than this. We still have to actually put the logos and all that stuff. I can just do a copy and paste for that. The logos are over here. These logos were made by a lot of builders, actually. Seriously, a lot of the builders made this. But yeah, there's one. This is supposed to be the prison one. This one's supposed to be the mini games. This one's supposed to be the Hunger Games. And there's supposed to be another one, which for some reason the builders that were working on this gave up or something, and they left. But it's supposed to be for Sky Wars. It's supposed to be me holding a sword, and a mob right next to me or something like that, and I'm slashing it. Something like that. Something that stands out really nice. Yeah, this is the hub. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this, but it looks really cool. I know I still have to configure somehow, if I even can, for the scoreboard so it doesn't show up the prison on this world. I want it so it doesn't show up on this world, but if I have to enable, what I was thinking, if for this this plugin right here for the scoreboard, it's actually called Featherboard. It cost me actually money. I believe this plugin did. Yeah, I think it did. And I'm hoping it can actually let you switch it between worlds. I think it lets you switch between servers, but that requires bungee cord, and I don't have enough money to run something like that because I require 3 servers, and I can barely pay this one. So yeah, maybe in the future, if this server gets up there, I'll use bungee cord, and it's gonna make it a lot easier for me, the staff, and all that stuff to actually run stuff. You know, when you use bungee cord, easy, very easy, a lot easier than it is for this. If you can make a server out of multi-universe, you should be able to make a server out of bungee cord, because bungee cord is a lot more simple, from what I've seen. So yeah, I'm using multiverse, if you're wondering, which is just a single server, and it just makes multiple worlds using a plugin called Multiverse. The thing about this, it causes a lot of stress to the single core of Minecraft, to the cores that Minecraft has. Unlike if you have multiple servers and connect them with bungee cord, it makes it work better, it makes it run better. The tabs, the scoreboard, the messages, and stuff like that on the servers will be all different between all the servers. So that makes it a lot easier. Unlike me right now with Multiverse, I have to figure out plugins and all this stuff that I can add that will make it different. So if I type like hi, it won't show up on a different, like, you know, world. So yeah, it's really difficult. But yeah, I'm working on that, trying to figure out stuff up, trying to figure things out, you know, trying to make things work. And I was thinking, if this scoreboard doesn't work for to like transfer the world to world, I might just make it so this right here, this world's disabled for the scoreboard, the featherboard. I disable this word from the config and add a different scoreboard, so the other scoreboard that I'll add, if I have to, will actually work on the hub, and then the featherboard can work on the prison. And if that doesn't work, then I might just not have a hub for the hub. So I might just not have a scoreboard for the hub. So that's what I might do. So I contacted the developer that actually made the scoreboard, which I'm using right now, see what he actually responds, see if he knows what to do. So yeah, I did also switch some things, which you guys probably noticed. I added a store thing, a store page right there. You don't get anything from it, so don't even try. So yeah, it's not worth it. So yeah, we added that, but again, that right there, the link thing will be changed more than likely with something else very soon. I just have to actually contact my hosting service and ask them exactly how it works, and then I can come up with an original name instead of having those end name thing like engine and all this other stuff. So yeah, what else did we do? I think we did, let me look. Oh, not game mode, what am I doing? MVTP. Oh yeah, I remember, we did, over here, lights, actually, no, it wasn't light, it was lives. Jesus Lives made these things. How cool does that look? We probably require a little bit more light around it, I think. I don't think so, maybe a little, actually no, I don't know. I can see it, but for some reason on the recording it looks really dark. It doesn't look that dark, at least not for mine. Maybe it's because my monitor settings or something, I don't really know. But it looks really cool. It's a creeper and there's a question mark, so it's supposed to be a creeper that doesn't understand what he's doing. Like, this is supposed to be the helping section, so if someone doesn't know how prison works, they can go over here and you know, it's not done, we're gonna have to set some menus in here and like, hey, if you need help, this is what you have to do. And then just go here and read some signs, and then they'll understand how it works. Over there, it's actually a chest, which is supposed to be the Archon crates, but we might make it different so we can make it a lot bigger than it is for this, because this looks really small. Because I don't know how many people are gonna go on the server. Obviously, if there's like hundreds of people and we get enough income, I can actually upgrade the server, so it doesn't have to be like I was talking about. It doesn't have to be multiverse. We can use bungee cord. And it's gonna be so much easier, and I just can't afford it right now. But if there's a lot of people actually, you know, are donors, you know, they donate to the server and stuff like that, they buy stuff, you know, little cosmetic items, and it's enough to actually keep the server going. More than likely I'm gonna be expanding on that area. And right here is supposed to be one of the most difficult projects for a builder, and Jesus Lives was actually up for the project. it's gonna be what my vision was. It's gonna be me standing like right here, like standing victorious, just like with a sword, like this, like the Minecraft sword, holding it in the air, like victorious, like smiling and stuff like that. And right next to me would be some of the really hardworking admins, builders, co-owner. I would actually put them all on that wall, but I don't know. I don't think it will fit. That's really small. So yeah, we can't really do that as far as I know of. So if we could, that'd be pretty cool. But I don't know if it will fit because it's gonna be difficult. But yeah, if we can't fit all the admins, builders, co-owner, and me on the wall right there, then we can just simply just add the ones that really worked hard, which actually I take notice of it. It's the ones that actually log on the server and actually really work hard, and not the ones that are like slacking off and just chilling, saying that they will work and they don't work at all. Like, if you don't want to work on the server, you can just simply say I'm not in the mood to do that. You don't really have to lie to me and stuff like that. I know some of them are busy, but I know some of them are making excuses, which isn't cool. But you know, that's on them. So yeah, that's pretty much the idea is that's gonna be Ultron crates. That's gonna be the helping menu. This right here is gonna be, you know, it's gonna be a super warrior looking thing. I'm not really sure what to add here. More than likely, what I will add right here is more than likely is like the enchantment table and stuff like that for the library. So if you want to make your equipment better and stuff like that, I might add that. I might add yeah, something like that. I might add that, so if someone actually wants to enchant like their stuff, make it stronger, they could do that. Give it buffs and stuff like that. And that requires levels, of course, you know, for Minecraft, which you can get from PvP, I believe, and also mobs in the animal farm. So yeah, you can do that. So that's the plan right there. You guys had ideas of making a parkour over here, like making a parkour right here, which is kind of small to make a parkour here. This is really simple, I guess you would say. If you make a parkour here, it's really short. Maybe I'll expand and make a parkour there, but I don't know. This just seems so small. I don't know what to do with this room. It just looks so, I don't know, it's so weird, you know. It's like, what do you add there? Like, I have no idea. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know. But I also did get a comment saying that I could add a plugin that depends on how long the person was actually playing the game, they'll get rewarded, which is cool. But the only thing about that, I don't want people to AFK and just AFK and not play at all. So I don't know. I might add that, but it might be a really long, like, you have to be logged in for like 10 hours to get like 100,000 or something. You know, that's not that great. But it's a little reward. You know, we already have a reward plugin, which is easy blocks, I believe it is, which is if you mine a bunch of blocks, you'll get rewards and stuff like that. Everybody will get rewards on that when you do that, when you get the limit. But there's the admins and co-owner and owner, and the builders aren't here. We have a lot of builders, and some of the builders are right here as well. Light of Christ and Jesus Lives, they're main builders. They're probably the top of the builders rank, especially Jesus Lives. Definitely know they know how to make Minecraft art. And right here we have the selling signs, which I probably would change it to something else. Maybe I'll use a chest shop. This right here is Essentials shop, I believe it is. I might switch it up, but it looks really cool. Obviously I have to actually, as you can see right here, we have this, which says mine resets 18 minutes. We have to fix that. So it's like every 17 minutes. Well, not 17 minutes. Not every 7 minutes. So it resets, because I tried a little test run, and I was actually able to pretty much mine the whole entire mine, and it took like an extra like 5 to 10 minutes for the mine to reset, and that was just me mining it. So yeah, more than likely we're gonna have to put that to like 7 minutes or something like that. And also we gotta figure out a way so we can actually make a message pop up that says mine has reset, just for one, not all of them. And Lippy, he actually did this. He actually didn't finish over there, as I can see. It's not done at all, but he tried, I guess. But yeah, the floor was right there. It was done. The glass is there. We still have to do mine warp D for that, for the design, because there's no, you can just walk out right there. So we're gonna have to fix that. It's supposed to look like mine B and C, like with glass and stuff, only with like a mixture of colors, and the colors are on the ground right there. What else? And then see, same with this one and the other ones as well, like that one over there. So yeah, and I believe this is mine C. That's mine C. What else did we do? I know we did more. I'm thinking what else we did. I'm pretty sure we did more. I'm not really sure what it was. We obviously did try a lot of plugins as well to see if it would work. Like one that was like per world chat, but I don't know if it works because no admin logged in yet. So the thing about that plugin was there was no config, but the guy said, the developer of that plugin said there wasn't going to be a config for that. Like there is none. It's kind of weird. I don't know if it'll work, but it will be it'll be interesting, I guess you would say. It will be very, very interesting. You know, that's the main issue, is making sure everything is per world. After that, then it's like piece of cake, I guess you would say, in a way. We still have to work on Archon crates. We still have to work on the ranks as well, which shouldn't be, the ranks should be pretty simple. We still have to work on the cell signs, all of them. They're not all done. That shouldn't be too difficult. That should be pretty simple. I also did update rules, I believe. So right now, if you do /rules, it would actually tell you stuff like be respectful, no cursing, no griefing, and then I put like little parentheses that says stealing. That's what it means. And no scamming, no spamming, no advertising. And what by no advertising, I mean like don't advertise any website, unless if it's like a YouTube video or something like that. That's fine. Simply because I don't want people to upload viruses and stuff like that to the website. So yeah, that's a safety precaution right there. No lying. If you lie to a staff member, you're gonna be banned. So you don't want to lie at all to. Just don't lie. You know, and definitely not to a staff member. No mean trolling either. As in like, you know, don't destroy someone's stuff as a joke. And if an admin does that, if you're gonna do that, make sure it's mild, and then give the items back to the person, and make sure the person's actually really, really close friends with you or something like that. Just don't be too rude. Don't be too mean. You know, if it's a joke, it's a joke, but don't be mean. Don't be a bully. And also no cheating. If you actually, oh man, if you find an exploit, report it to the staff. Don't abuse it. And there's also another rules, which is rules 2. So there's more. So no hacking. If you are found hacking, you will be banned. This is instant. If you are found hacking, you're gonna get IP banned. It's done. And more than likely, the only way you're gonna be able to is if you buy an unbanned from the store. But more than likely, what I'll do is, if you are found hacking, I might make it so you won't be able to buy an unbanned, or maybe I'll set a limit to it, so only like you can only buy 3 of them, you know, something like that, per user, you know, something like that. I don't know. I could do that for unbans. Right here is don't leech on others. Hard work. Example is if you are in rank A. Don't get teleported by anyone, even admins. Admins should not be teleporting you to rank mine Z if you are like a lower rank than that. They should not be doing that at all. Yeah, this should just clearly out there. They should not be doing that. Co-owner, admin, helper, builder, whoever it is, YouTube rank, this, that. No, you should not be doing that whatsoever. Not even me. Not even me. So yeah. That's a big NO right there. And right here's another one, which is pretty much never impersonate a staff member. It still is a rule, even though, you know, we do have the little tags, more than likely the little name tags. Hopefully it does work, but still no impersonating staff members. And right here I put a little something else. If you ever find someone breaking any of these rules, feel free to submit evidence, video or screenshots on our official Delighting Us forum page on our website. And I would prefer video for evidence and not a screenshot, but if you have multiple screenshots, alright. But video is the best. Video is going to be a lot better because we're going to have staff reviewing stuff, and more than likely I'm going to have to be the one like probably doing a lot of work for the website, for the forums and stuff like that. If someone finds any cheater, hacker, or someone being mean, bullying, cursing, this and that, I have to actually review the evidence, and I have to, like right now, that the main thing is, like right now we're working mainly on the server. The website is really, like, it needs updating, like really bad. Like the website really requires some updating. I have to actually get the admins, builders, and all this to actually log in a certain time or day and just set up their ranks on the website so they can get the little builder little name tag in the thing, and then this and then that. But more than likely I might make it, because the thing about it is I want to be careful, because the forums is something that's massive. You know, I don't want, like, if you actually for some reason get helper rank, you know, you get chosen, and then you mess up the server, I can just easily just, you know, ban. You know, you get a couple of permissions, but that's about it. You know, you get banned, IP banned, then what? But if the website, it's a little bit more difficult. If you completely ruin the website, it's like, there's not really much I can really do on that, you know what I mean? So yeah, I might make it so only the admins get access to permissions on the website, but helpers and mods more than likely might get the little tag name as well on the website, on the forum page. I don't know, maybe not. I'm not really sure. We still have to work on the website like a ton. So yeah, I'm not really sure if there's other things we worked on. I'm pretty sure there was. We worked on a lot of stuff. We tried a bunch of things. What is this? Lippy, you messed up, bro. That's Lippy actually. Well, he made this. Well, I was with him. He actually was making it. I told him to put him in the art gallery. He put it outside the art gallery. Not really sure why, but here's the art gallery, and the art gallery is actually going to be a lot smaller, more than likely. I want it to be a lot smaller than this. It's way too massive. I want to make it smaller, and more than likely I might make it so it's like, I think it's a little loophole that I heard and also found out, is if I give access to like a donator to a certain section of the map that doesn't give any gameplay advantage, like a cosmetic thing. This is cosmetic. You just see art from the staff and from the builders. I might be able to actually put this as a donator perk. Like, you get access on here, and I can actually maybe set up a permission on here so you can actually use the pets on here as well, like eco pets and stuff like that. I might be able to make something like that work, which would be pretty cool. I'm not really sure. It might work. I'm not really sure if it will though. Also, I'm not sure. Did I show you guys this? We have this now. As you can see, the particles, block trails, rain trails, and we also have this, which says, which is new. I actually added it. It says your name, which is supposed to say your name. Then under that it says want to buy ranks on the server. You click on it, and then it should actually take you to a website right there. It says shop, and then you click here, and then you want to click again, and it will take you to the website for the shop area. It's very neat, very cool. I still want to edit it a little bit, you know, where it says shop, I might make it so it says URL, click here, or something like that. A little bit easier, so if people just don't want to go to, like, type in the website on their own, they can just simply get, you know, a link there, and they can just click it there. So very simple for them to do, you know, very easy. Other things we do have to work on is like Votifier. You know, if you vote, you get rewards, but that's probably going to be one of the last plugins we work on, simply because the server's not done yet. But we're doing extremely well, I would say. Like, yeah, I think we're doing really nice, like super nice. At our progress, it's just nice. It's insane. There's still some work to be done, but by the work that we're actually progressing in on the server, it's by the progress, you know, it's going really quick. I would like the staff to make more art, because this isn't too much art, and also I'm more than likely going to be moving these, like switching the position so they look somewhere else, because that looks kind of plain, just looking like one direction. But yeah, I would like a lot more. I want this whole room to be filled, to be so decorative, very cool. And yeah, if you guys are wondering as well how the server is progressing so fast as well, like, let me tell you guys a story. I'm not sure if I told you guys this, but I told Coney. He's a staff member on here. He's an admin. Um, but but yeah, what happened was we actually, Mr. Coney and I were like, yeah, we gotta make a hub plugin, you know, so we can actually click on the little compass or something like that to take people to different worlds. So we started to work on different ones and stuff like that. We couldn't really find one that we liked. We added one. It was like Hub Essentials. We ended up. I ended up after he actually left, because we ended up going to sleep. Then I woke up. Then I tried to like fix some stuff, and I noticed that when I like uninstalled the plugin, it was still there. The plugin data was still there. I still had the items. I still had like the buffs. It had buffs on the side. It gave you speed buffs. It gave you like jump boosts and stuff like that for the whole entire like server, not just the world, but the whole server. So I had to disable that, and I tried like so many things. I was getting such a massive headache because I had to do a rollback, and I lost the tags, which took me like 5 to 7 hours to actually figure out the name tags, and I was really upset. I decided to pray and just ask God for help on that. And then I just decided to like take a break. I just like let go, you know, what I was doing on the keyboard, trying to fix the stuff. I went, you know, to actually go lay down because my head was hurting like crazy. Then all of a sudden I heard this, homie. I heard, you know, that plugin just added more than likely, pretty much, you know, little permission things, you know, like a game rule. Why don't you just go back in there, delete the plugin, and then just simply clear your inventory, and then also kill yourself so it resets the little buff boost, because it gave you a permanent buff. But if you actually kill yourself and then respawn, it should actually work. And you know, I got something like that, you know, right in my mind. It was really short. It wasn't like a massive long phrase, but that's pretty much what I got. And I was like, wait, you know, that kind of makes sense. So I went back on the server. I tried it, and as you can see, there's no bonuses. There's absolutely no bonuses that show up, no matter which game mode it is. No bonuses, as you can see, which is really cool. And that just reminded me of something else we worked on. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. How I'm progressing so fast and learning so fast. I'm not doing this by myself, homie. Like, if you look at the earlier videos, like way back in the day, I had no idea what I was doing. I just didn't get it. And now it's like pretty much just like this light bulb just triggers, and I'm just like, I understand it. You know, Mr. Coney, he had issues with World Guard, and he was like, why isn't this working? And instantly, just like a light bulb, just like ding, just like right in front of my face, like, oh, I know why it's not working. I know it's not working. Oh yeah, this is a fix. And it's not like I know the full plugin at all. I barely know the plugin, and it's just this. It just makes all sense. It's like if I'm getting the data from someone else, and I believe God wants me to actually make this server for His glory, so that makes sense right there. But yeah, I want to share that with you guys right there. It was really, really cool. And that also reminded me of something else. Let me show you guys. Let me get myself some items like this. Let me go to game mode 0, you know, common, you know, game mode 1, same thing, same inventory as you can see. Maybe you can go to game mode 0 quick, put a couple things right there, you know, I don't know, one there, one there, one there. Go to game mode 1. You guys might like this right here, by the way. This is a major thing. Let me put it like this, there, this, that, there's there. And then let me actually go to game mode 0 again to show you guys. As you can see, that's on there. And let me actually TP to the prison. I mean, not prison, the hub. And your whole inventory will be cleared. So right now, I actually set it up so it's per world inventory. I can do game mode 1, and there you go, as you can see. And then I can get, like, let's say if I want like items here, like let me get a couple items, like this, that, like put that there, and then put a couple in this and here, one there, one there, like that. And then let's go to MVTP prison, and then what you're gonna have is the same items that you had on the world. So if I go to like hub, you will have the same items that you put on the hub, as you can see. So that's a major like thing we actually had to sort out, which is fixed. It took me a little bit to find a plugin for that. We also did have a friend list right here. When your friend goes online, you get a message, and your friend shows up right here. If your friend isn't online for a very long time, your little friend thing disappears and doesn't show up on here. But when they do log in, you get a message and you can actually click on it. You can give them a gift. You can actually remove the person from your friend list, or you can TP to your friend. And yeah, we pretty much like this right here. This was the hub thing. We were working on the launchers. We actually fixed it. It's just that things weren't working out for a hub thing, a hub plugin, and we had to remove it, and it was causing so many issues. But we did it. We actually did it, guys. I'm getting very, very close. There was also an issue when I did tab. Let me go to the other one, MVTP prison. There was an issue when I did the tab list. When I clicked the tab, it said like no connection, like the bars weren't working. So it seems like that got fixed. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff, guys. This server is really turning out to be awesome. And if you guys are wondering, I was showing you guys the server just walking around without a resource pack, without a texture pack. This is what it looks like without a texture pack. But now let me use a texture pack that I like to use, which is a royalty-free texture pack in the public domain. And it looks pretty cool anyways. You know, with this texture pack, it looks cool. I have to add more of these things right there, like for the holograms. I want to add one right here. Yes, it works. Yay! I fixed it. No, it didn't. No. So close. Okay. Baby steps. What name tag do I have? What do I have? Okay, let me look at it. Let me see. This plugin is one of the most difficult plugins like ever. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys. It's not even like funny. It's so difficult. Actually, I think I know what it is. Let me just, in case, let me open up the website, go to my console and stuff like that, and let me figure this out real quick. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna make sure I gave the right permission, the permission node, because I know I actually had to do a rollback and I might have messed it up because that was, you know, yeah. But yeah, let's see. Man, I'm lagging really bad. There we go. What name tag do I have? You didn't tell me. Okay, let me go to the... Okay, I'm checking the plugin. Plugins. I'm gonna have to look on text, and also this plugin. I'm telling you guys, is one of the most difficult plugins to actually like work. It's that's admin, right? That's correct. NTE admin, NTE co-owner. We don't have no inheritance on that. Interesting. Are you up, by the way? Let me see. Can you see it now or no? Okay. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the most difficult plugins that I ever worked on. I'll take that as a no. I put the right thing right? NTE, yeah, that's right, Or do I have, yeah, that's gotta be right. Why? Did it reset? It might have reset actually. name tag groups. Actually, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. NCE, NCE owner, NCE helper, NCE co-owner. Like, I don't. No, I physically can't see you. I'm in front of you. I'm so confused. What? What do you mean you're not on MC? Are you on like the mind chat thing? The plugin is if I see the name, so let's see, NCE owner, that's supposed to be me, NCE admin, NCE co-owner, maybe it's in the config. False. Okay, disable that. If enabled, this will format the chat. No, I don't want that. Updating on join, on timer. It's supposed to be on join though. Let me save that. Hopefully I can get this to work because it looks super cool. It's just that it's okay. I don't get it. That's the right permission. It's the right permission node. Yeah, but it's super cool. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. It looks so cool. But yeah, Jesus Lives made that. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Let me do that. And it seems like it's kind of like working. It's not glitching out from what I can tell. You know, the scoreboard's fine. If I do this, it's not glitching out. But it's just a sidebar. It's just not. And also her name still says co-owner as well, which is very, very cool. I just don't know why, like, exactly it's doing that. Like, I don't know. Like, I have no idea. I do notice that I might have to actually make the name thing a little bit bigger if possible when you click tab, because it seems like Jesus Lives name is like way too big and it gets overwritten. Let's see. NCE co-owner. That's it. That has to be. I'm telling you, that has to be it. Okay, let me do any group. I think it was it was groups. Groups. What was it? It was any groups, and then the only thing I can think of. There's no way I messed it up though. Is there? Cause I think well, I could have. No, there's no way. I'm thinking maybe I messed up the name, like the actual name. But I would have noticed that, I think, because that's so obvious. And this plugin is one of the most difficult plugins I ever worked with, guys. I really want to figure it out so that we can actually make it work, because it looks so cool. I think 𝐵𝓊𝓈𝒾𝓃𝓃𝓾𝓈 had it too, but I don't know if they had that one exactly. Nope. The permission node is actually NCE co-owner. But for some reason, it takes the admin, and admin is the #1 first one. So I know that the first rank, which is admin, I know it's working because of the name. If you look, admin, that's exactly how it's spelled. That's exactly how the colors are. So it's got to be some. Wait, is it and is it the value? Do I have to set a value for it, or else it gets overwritten? Okay, let me look. Permission. Then let me look at the permission of let's say co-owner. Let's do any groups permission co-owner, and value. Let's make it so it's gonna be, let's see, 1. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Wait, hold up. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 6. Does that work? It said any group set. Wait, any groups set. Oh no, group. I forgot set. Set co-owner. Any group set group permission. I'm so confused right now. I messed it up. Any groups set group is there, and then the permission. There you go. Change owner permission to 6. So now if I reload the config, I'm hoping this doesn't ruin it. Please no. I wish so hustled it. Let me do a backup. I'm gonna do a backup just in case, so I don't mess stuff up. But the work, guys, the work is serious, guys, like for real. Okay, it's backing up right now. And also right there, as you can see, when your friend leaves the server, the person leaves, and it sends you like a message. You can still do /friends, and you can see their name there. But give it like an hour or so, and it's gonna disappear if they don't log in. So yeah, don't worry about it. I'm not really sure why it does that. It would be pretty cool if I can find a developer that wouldn't charge me about $1 billion to develop a friend plugin. And the thing about it is, I don't mind for that to be to the public. I don't mind. You know, that's fine. You know, it doesn't have to be a secret. You know, it can be to the public, because I try to find, like, there's a lot of plugins that are like one of the best of the best, like out there. They're very hidden. They're super hidden. Like, you usually get the mild ones or the okay ones, but like most of the plugins we have, it took us a while to find. So there we go. Okay, it backed up. So let me look at the permission file, and I'm hoping that it's a little bit different. Plugins. Go to the name tag. Where's the name tag? Name tag. Name tag. Groups. That's a bummer. It's the same one. Oh, I didn't reload it. Duh. Any reload. It says I didn't reload it. Let's see if this will work. It looks really cool though. It will be used mainly so no one can impersonate staff. That's a gun. Okay, let me look at the plugin again, the file. Yeah, groups, it's the same one. When stuff shows up above your hotbar, my chat gets spammed. LOL. There's not really much I can do on that. Not much that I can do on that. Unless if I make it a little bit longer so your chat doesn't have to get spammed as much. But it's supposed to be for you know, the actual game. It's not really for Mind Chat. But Mind Chat is enabled. I think that's what it's called. It's for when you get on the iPhone. There's like an application so you can actually go to the chat of a server and just talk. You can't play or nothing like that. The other thing about it is I think you have to be really careful because you can die. Like, yeah, the person can just get like TP'd or something. You know, so you got to be careful if you do that. But you don't have to be careful when we get to spawn points, because I mean the hub, when we manage to hopefully make it so you actually are forced spawn to the hub and not anywhere where you're standing, you're gonna be better. Because if you spawn in a hub, there's no PvP there. So yeah. But let's see if I can figure this out. Let me go to the name tag, edit, commands. Let me look for the file for this thing. Like maybe there's a secret thing. Some plugins have that. It's so messed up. Some plugins really are like that. They have some super secret, like on the like a little letter you have to put to activate and stuff like that. You know, it's kind of messed up, but they have that. Group set, group name, perm value sets the default permission for a group. What does that mean? So we want to create or edit a group. We can start by first create. Okay, so first is any groups add. I did that. Second is the permission. I did that. We need to set the prefix. Any group set prefix my group at. Finally, we'll set the suffix. Oh, do I have to set both of them? Actually, I don't even think I actually did that on here. I think I did that on the other thing. So let me try this. Hex. What am I doing? No, it's ne groups set prefix co-owner. I think I have a file here, don't worry about it. I think I have a file saved so I know exactly how it works. Co-owner, there it is. So prefix co-owner, make sure there's a little space there. There we go. And then that's correct right there. Make sure you get the little parentheses. You gotta get these things. I mean, not parentheses. What I'm talking about. Do that, and then that group prefix does not exist. What are you talking about? And I'm telling you guys, it's the commands. They switched it. They switched the commands, and I can't like view it. It's so messed up. Maybe if I do any groups set, and then it's gonna tell me, or any groups, something like that. Any groups set. Okay, the group goes first. That's different. They switched it. I don't know why, but they switched it. Co-owner. Okay, co-owner. Then it's the prefix. Then it's telling me the value. So let's make it like 7. No, it's supposed to be 6, I think. Okay, change co-owner's prefix to 6. Okay, I did that now. And now, any group set prefix, that one, prefix. Okay, so prefix. And then any groups add, remove, any groups add, any groups set, group, perm, prefix, and value. And these adds are annoying. Which adds? I didn't enable anything. Are you talking about the little messages that are popping up? I'm telling you, they have to update stuff. Like for this plugin, they have to. It's like a must. They updated it, I think, and they have to switch it. They have to work on stuff. Like they really do. Any reload. Seems like it's not working though. It's supposed to be any groups, and then wait, let's see, co-owner. So let me look. Set any group set option. So it's the option of like, do you want to do prefix? You want to do permission? So prefix. Let's do this again. Prefix. It's supposed to be co-owner, like that. I think it is. I think is it? Does it have to be lowercase and stuff, or does it matter? And then the little that, and then that. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to make it so it's like this. Co-owner prefix. Change co-owner's prefix to co-owner. Okay. Wait, what did I do? Okay, restarting server. Go back from that. I'm hoping this works, okay? Restart. I'm hoping that works. I have worked so hard on this plugin. And don't worry, the name tag and stuff actually, I don't know why, but sometimes when you restart the server, it takes a lot longer. I don't know why. It's weird. Sometimes it's really quick, sometimes really short. Just in case, it's actually it's safer if you do a full restart. But the thing about it is we don't have multiple servers, so I like to reload stuff because that's like the main thing you have to do. I also did change something else as well. I'm not sure if I can show you guys. It should be loading anytime soon. Let's see. Maybe, I'm not really sure. Right here. There's gonna be a little alert that's gonna pop up. That's gonna say server is either restarting or down. And when it's back up, you won't see this. So, like, just wait for it. It's not up yet. It's not up yet. It's not up yet. It's not up yet. It takes a little bit. But yeah, that comes up if the server's like messed up and stuff like that. Or so I hope, you know, that's usually what it's gonna be for. So less people know. But yeah, now it's back up as you can see. And hopefully Jesus Lives actually logs in real quick, because I want to know if this worked. Because I don't know if it worked. I really have no idea. I don't know why I spawned in the ground. That was kind of weird. Okay, let me go back to full screen. Alright. Hopefully Jesus Lives is gonna show up again, because I want to check if it worked. I can't check on my own because it doesn't. You can't see it. It's kind of messed up because it would be pretty cool if you can test it on your own, but you actually can't. It's like one of the plugins that you need someone else to figure out and stuff, to see if it works and stuff. So, yeah. And also, I'm kind of wondering, like, maybe it's not working because if it doesn't work, maybe it's because of scoreboard. We have a lot of things in there. Because I heard it uses a scoreboard or something like that for the name, which is kind of like it's kind of weird. But let's see. Nope, it didn't work. I wonder. Let me go back to the file. See if I can find any new file that was created or anything like that. But this is definitely one of the most difficult plugins like that I ever had to work on. This is definitely super difficult. It's not. It's like if you're gonna make a plugin, don't make it like so difficult that nobody can really use it. Like, you know, if you figure this plugin out, then it's gonna look awesome. But if you can't, then yeah. Probably still gonna look alright, but this one makes it look awesome. So, why was the permission set to 6? That can't be right, dude. I'll give it a try. I'll go on here on permissions X, and I'll put her on the group on the permissions X with a permission 6. And it goes by order, by the way, because there's a YouTube rank in that, and I want to go by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I might switch that. I might switch the number and stuff like that later, but I don't know. Co-owner. I don't know if this will work. It's just a number. How is that gonna work? I'm gonna have to set it so it's the value is something else. So like the value, like right here, prefix 6. I'm gonna have to make it so the value could be like. Let's go for like. Then we go for like 777 or like maybe 116. Okay, I changed it to 116. And then let me add something else. Let me add, actually no, it can't be 116 though. Let me add like, dude, I have no idea. Let me add name tag dot co-owner. Actually no, let me not, that kind of looks weird. Let me do it without the spaces and stuff. There we go. Okay, so now it's called name tag. So now it's going to be a little bit different. So it's not a number. That might conflict if it was a number. Okay. Add that to the group. Come on, server. You can do this. You got this. Alright, I'm gonna be right back though. I'm gonna be right back, guys. Alright, we're back. The file was getting a little bit big because it was almost like an hour-long video. So, just in case, so the computer didn't crash, I wanted to stop the recording and make a new one. But this might work. This might work. I had to set a custom name preference. But I don't know if it will, simply because the admin one worked, which made no sense why it worked on like someone that doesn't even have the permission node. You know what I mean? It's like it's so like I don't even know what to say. It's just so it's weird. It's really weird. Oh, actually might not work. Oh, wait, both prefixes and suffix are required, even if they are blank. Okay, so I have to leave it there. Do I have it like that? Chapters.yml. Groups.yml. When arranging your groups, please have the order be ascending, meaning have your lowest group at the top. Let's say default and your highest. Oh! Okay, I got it. Okay, so wait, how do I edit it then? I can't edit the file because it doesn't let me change. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you guys this, because it doesn't let me edit the file. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Still no bueno. Still no good. Still says admin. It's gotta be that, because it says right here, like it says it has to be the lowest to highest. That only makes sense. Like, right? I wonder. This is difficult, guys. This is what it takes to make a server. The thing about it is we're using multiverse. It's even more difficult, I would say, on multiverse than it is on Bungie Core. So this is great practice if you're gonna, like, in the future maybe edit something. I don't know. I started out with like animations and stuff. I started out with image editing, which actually I did for a couple of years, and then animation, and now it's this, which is kind of like learning how to code a little bit. Okay, so what I might have to do is set the permission to be completely different for every little thing. What I'm gonna have to do is straight up like edit stuff. I'm gonna have to go to I'm gonna have to mute stuff. So let me go for because I'm gonna have to actually look up a video. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I have to mute this. Alright. I'm back. Sorry about that. But I think I might figure this out right here. Actually, I think I might figure this out. So what I actually did, what happened was I was setting the prefix to someone else, not the permission, and I made a different permission thing now. So I have to go back to the permissions X. See if this works out. It might work out. I have no idea. It might, but hopefully it does, because this plugin is giving me such a hassle to configure, which is so messed up, dude. Like, for real. Like, why make a plugin like this that is so like intense? Okay, so the permission is nametag.group.co_owner. nametag.group.co_owner. Save file. Go back, go to the file of the game, I mean not game, the thing, the plugin, go to the config, make sure this is correct. Okay. Go to groups. Okay, the prefix I have to actually rewrite, so it's fine. I'll open this up and I'll make it again. Okay. So it's gonna be like that. Co-owner. Okay. It said that I'm supposed to make it like from like the top to the bottom rank, but it doesn't let me change the config. Okay, restarting time again. This is what it takes, guys. This is what it takes to make a server. It's so difficult. You have to do so many tests. You have to make sure. Like, the thing about it is, if I knew how to make a plugin, oh, it would be so cool, dude. It would be so nice, because then I could update it myself easily and all this stuff. But like, that's like a whole different language. I'm learning the language in a way, but not the full language of that, like coding. But that would be crazy. I think Mindplex has almost 100%, almost, I think, of custom plugins. So they own completely every little thing. I could actually purchase someone to make a plugin, but usually they charge you like quite a lot of money for it though. Like I want like something nice. I want friendless, I want this, I want that, all in one, dude. Nice and simple. With everything being able to be customizable, you know what I mean? Just simple. But that's gonna take a long time to make. But that would be nice. That would be very cool. It's taking a lot longer now for it to restart. Maybe it's because we have so many like plugins now and stuff. It's taking a while. Like it is. It's seriously. It's taking a lot longer than usual. Come on, log in, log in, log in. Log in. You must log in now. Okay, not really. Come on. Make this easy. Come on. It's really difficult though, like seriously guys, this is like, this plugin is so, I don't know, it might be the build, it might be because I got a like different build, because I can tell in the videos that I'm seeing, they have a different plugin, but the plugin that I got is like the most recent one, and it seems like it has like errors and stuff like that. Like, it's not as easy as it seems. It's a lot more difficult. Come on. There's progress though, but man, I'm like Archon crates, which was one of the most difficult plugins to figure out. That was very difficult in the first place. But this one's like I learned Archon crates already. I just have to set it up and stuff like that. And I talked to Blue. He's like an expert with plugins and stuff like that. But he's really busy and stuff like that. But there was an error. Well, not an error, but what I'm trying to do with Archon crates is like if someone wins like a particle effect, that they keep the particle effect. You know, I don't have to like put them like, because if they have the faithful rank and they end up getting a particle effect, but then they end up like changing to like a different like rank, they're gonna lose it. They're gonna lose the stuff they just got, which is really weird. But yeah, at least that's what it seemed like to me. Maybe not. Now that I think about it, maybe the light bulb just triggered. Because the way I tested it was I went from faithful to owner. Owner, I don't think. Actually, no. Yeah, it is connected. Never mind. No, actually no. It might have not been at the time. Because on the permissions, I think the owner wasn't connected. Like me, I wasn't connected to the kits, like faithful and all that stuff, the ranks. I don't think I was connected to that at the time. Now I am, but I'm not sure if I was before. Oh man, this plugin is seriously. It's difficult, homie. I might have to go to an earlier build, because, I mean, like, yeah, because I got I think that was a newer build. I think, was that the newer build or was that the old build? I'm not really sure. Because there's two ones. There's one that's old, and there's one that's newer. They look the same, nothing like the videos I'm seeing. So I don't know. I know I could actually give this the right color one to each person, but it gets erased after some time if I don't put them in the group. That's why I need a permission for the group so I can actually do that. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm actually going to be definitely more than likely copying the config and all that stuff. But I think what I'm going to be doing, oh, I don't even have to copy the config. I don't think. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to set this stuff in order, like every little thing right now in order. So yeah, because that's what it wanted. It wanted me to set it in order. That's what it said. But it makes no sense, because if it was in order, it would pick something else. You know, it wouldn't have to pick this one. So like, you know what I mean? Wait a minute. This is the key or the thing that distinguishes this group. Wait a minute. I think the light bulb just triggered, dude. I have to inherit it, and then I have to inherit all of them. Oh, that's not gonna work though. Oh no. I know. I think I know what's wrong. I think I understand how this plugin works now. I have to inherit the beginning permission, which the other ones don't have. So mine might work. Wait. Okay, you gotta go. It's fine. I think I know what it is. I think I know what it is. Okay, make sure everything has inherited stub on it. I think I might remove the mods so they don't have it. But wait, I like the mod, dude. That's gotta be it. That's how it selects it in the group. Okay, I think I know how this plugin works. It works in a group. So it looks at all the files and it checks it. Okay, this person's on here. Okay, this person's here. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. Alright, I think that's how it's like. It goes from the top to the bottom, and the config is all sorts of messed up. So what I'm gonna have to do, well, first off, I'm gonna have to go to NE, and then groups, and then remove, and then mod. Just an internal error occurred while attempting to perform this command. Something telling me this, I got an unstable build. Something tells me I have an unstable build. I'm telling you. It's gotta be this, yo. It's gotta be. I'm almost sure. It says arrange your groups so YML. Please have the order by ascending, meaning you have your lowest group at the top, let's say default, and your highest group, let's say owner, at the bottom. And that's not what I have it as. So I think what I'm gonna do real quick, I'm actually gonna have I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try that and see if this works like that. It might not. I don't know. Probably not. But I'll give it a try. And who knows? I might have an unstable build and it might not work entirely. You know what I mean? Because if we have an unstable build, it's not gonna work. Doesn't matter what we do, it's just not gonna work. Wait a minute. Prefix, suffix. It said we have to have both, and there's one that has none. That could be it. That could be it. Okay, let me delete that one. Okay. Save. Go to groups. Let me set this in order. Okay, so it's gonna go. Where's the YouTube rank? Thought I had one. Did it not? And for some reason the prefix was changed. So I have to fix this. Oh, you know what? I know it was changed. I have to do the any thing. Any groups. Set. Then the group name, which is co-owner. Then I have to put prefix. And then that. There we go. Okay, so now it changed to the right prefix. So I'll do that as well in the config. And the config thing doesn't like to be edited. It really doesn't. It really doesn't like to be edited. But we can give it a try. See how this works, though. You know, I don't know. It might work. Probably not, but we'll give it a try and see what it can do. So yeah, we might have an unstable build. I'm not too sure. Maybe it's just because I didn't set an order and stuff. What else? Admin. Grab that. That goes here. I'm setting these in order from the bottom to the highest tier in the permission node. So I'm hoping this works, but I don't think it's gonna work really. I just don't see it work. It doesn't like when I edit the config. It really doesn't like that. No, it doesn't seem like it reloads though. Like what if I do this as a test? Put a little line there. Like so. And then do the reload. It says reload type. What do you mean reload type? If file reload takes active to while memory overwrites the. Oh, okay, I get it. Okay, so file. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I managed to switch it to helper, at least. So, baby steps. Okay, so that worked, okay. Let me also do the NTE reload memory. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we managed to put helper on her. So, let's go back to the groups. Helper is the first rank on that. Okay. So what it's selecting, what I'm noticing, it's selecting the one that goes first. It's not selecting the one that goes second. So yeah, it's selecting because admin was first before. I switched it, now helper is first. So what that means is I don't know. It's got to be the permission node. Watch. I'm a lot more certain about this. Watch. It's got to be permission node because the permissions of the thing, I removed it. Yeah, it's got to be this. Co-owner, give it admin. Admin, give it mod. And mod, give it helper. Oh wait, no. Yeah, okay, helper, whatever. Actually, let's just go all out for this. Let's go all out for this. I'm gonna put these all in there. Okay, let's go. Helper, mod, builder, admin. Okay, that's it. Cause that's the co-owner rank. So, okay. Copy. Replace that. Okay, that's the admin one. So remove that. Okay, admin, remove that. It's the builder one, so we can remove the builder as well. And now we're gonna put this on mod. Remove the helper one. Remove all of those. Then we just have helper right there. Save this file. Hex reload. And then also the other one. Okay, we reloaded that stuff. Now let me check the file again. Also, I'm gonna switch this as well because builder is under helper. It's supposed to be better than mod. So just in case, it might be because of that file right there. It's messing it up a little bit. I don't know if it is, but it might be. Okay, we did that. Now let me go with one permission at a time, so it's not overwritten. So helper, that's fine. Then we could just go for mod because you get the inheritance of the other one. Then admin gets just builder, like that. Mod, helper, and help. Okay, there you go. Okay, builder. And admin. And I go like this, and I put co-owner on mine. And then you save it, and then you go to the other file, which is the one we're working on. I'm telling you guys, this plugin is very difficult. Oh, is that why? Hold up, I think I know what it is. I think I actually know what this is, dude. It's the name tag thing, isn't it? Cause I didn't do that. Okay, NE, and then groups, and then we're gonna have to set which group didn't get it. Okay, I think it's almost all of them actually. So helper perm is gonna be name tag dot group dot helper. like that. It's gonna be nametag.group.helper. Okay, it's gonna change that one, and then you're gonna switch the next one to mod. It's also gonna be moderator, because that's the name of it. Moderator, just like that. Next one after that is builder. So make sure it's lowercase, just in case. Builder. Okay, we changed it. And then go for admin. Switch it to admin. Okay, I did that. Switch co-owner to co-owner. Okay, and switch owner to that as well. I think mine is all caps, so yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, do that. Now it should be a different file, so I'm gonna actually reload that real quick. I'm gonna exit this. Click X. I'm gonna have to any reload memory. Any reload memory, and also any reload files. And this I can make it go on the groups, and it should be, yes, it is just beautiful, just how it's supposed to be right there. Okay, very cool. This right here, I'm gonna have to make sure this is blank. Same with this one. This has to be blank as well. You know, we're gonna have to go one step at a time for every single one of these. So that's fine. We can actually just work on that right now. I'm seriously like trying really bad for this plugin to work. And if this plugin requires this much work just for it to like work, it's insane. Like, why not like make it more like stable? Why does it have to be so like crazy, you know? That makes absolutely no sense to me. It just doesn't. I don't get it. I just don't get it. So this is gonna be helper, like that. Okay. Okay. Where's the mod one? Here it is. Okay. Do that, and then that. It's gonna be moderator. Go to this one. This is so complicated to like code in here sometimes for this one, because you can mess up on one little code. It might mess the whole entire thing up. I'm hoping it's not something to do with the little dash that the co-owner has. It's like a little minus sign, because that might be it. And if it is, that's kind of upsetting, because then that would mean I have to switch the name of it to something else, because I could understand if it doesn't work because of that. Okay. Text, reload. And then the other ones. Okay, let me actually set let's see, because the only thing I can think of is got to be the dash. If it's the dash, that can make sense. Nametag.group. Okay, nametag.group.owner. Did I spell that right? Groups. We are arranging in groups.yml. When arranging in groups, please have the order be ascending, meaning have your lowest group at the top, let's say default, and your highest group, let's say owner, at the bottom. Both prefixes or suffixes are required even if they are blank. Oh, dude, if this is the reason why, I'm gonna want a refund, like really bad. The guy just has a the and sign in the number. This would be so messed up if this was it. No, don't tell me this was it. Actually, yeah, tell me this was it. It's gonna be so weird if this was it, though. I don't know if it was. Oh, I see. Okay, so there's, okay, if this is not it, I think I know what to do. Because there's okay, I got it. Because there's a suffix that continues to mess up, so I get it. Okay, alright. So probably if I do that, and then I do, let's say, NCE reload, like the reload thing, it's not gonna reload correctly, am I right? Because now if I go back to the groups file, it's gonna have, yeah, exactly, nice. So we have to set those up. Okay, so it's gonna be NE groups suffix. You have to obviously add the group there. So the group, let's say helper, because those are the ones we are working on, and the moderator stuff like that is working. The helper for some reason is working as well without a suffix, but I don't know. I really have no idea. It might be because there's no suffix for it. That's the only thing I can think about right there. So let's see if this works. Okay, any groups sets, I forgot that. Set helper, the suffix, and then make it like that. So there we go. Change it to nothing. So what if I put like none? Or if I do, wait, hold up. Let me do suffix. Let me do the little E thing, and then let me do a NE reload. Reload file. Reload memory. Okay. Let me also save. I didn't save. Okay, I did that now. For the groups. It didn't save. It's gotta be that. It has to be that. Because that's where I set it at too, right? Yeah, I set it to this one. And it says it changes to this. So what if I do that? Okay. And then if I do, let me try one more time. Maybe it didn't reload correctly. Reload memory. Let me exit. If this is it, this is so messed up, guys. I think that's it. I think that's gotta be it. Okay. Okay, group set, suffix, set that to whatever, E or something, whatever it is. Deselect that, put moderator. And same thing with admin. Reload it. Reload pex. Let me save. We do that. Groups. Oh no, she left. Welcome back. Come on. When arranging your groups on well, please set order to be ascending, meaning you have your lowest group at the top, let's say default, and your highest group, let's say owner, at the bottom. Moderator permission prefix. Players prefix C. Does it really require a permission for this? No, it can't be. My group second. Should I try with a suffix, like an actual suffix for it? It's a bad plugin, isn't it? It's a bad plugin. You gotta be kidding me. All this work I did and it's a bad plugin. It is a bad plugin. The suffix doesn't want to work. It's a bad plugin. I think. Let's see. Maybe I have to remove the little that. And then remove that. Because she's not a helper. That's the thing. Tag edit. It's got. It might be the current build. It seriously might be the current build. Let's see. Should I look at the config and see if there's any errors? This is just sad. This should be done by now. No, there's no errors on here that I can tell. Not even one. Come on, dude. There's gotta be someone else with this problem. Do-do-do-do. That might be it. It might be the thing I just did. Because there's a guy saying it's getting overwritten. So it doesn't have to inherit it. More than likely. That would make that would make a little bit of sense. Because if it's being overwritten. Okay, hold up. Man, I'm in the mood for some Publix right now, dude. I'm in the mood for some Publix. Let's see if I can get some Publix. I will pay. If I got to pay, I'll pay. I'm just in the mood for some Publix today. You guys know what Publix is? It's like Subway kind of, but not really. It's like Walmart, but it's Subway. Okay, let's go back to permissions, and let's not make it so it overrides. This would make a lot of sense. Let's say, let me remove one. Let me remove. Let's say helper right there. Let's see what happens now. Pex reload. And also the NE reload. It's working. It's working! I knew it! Let's go! Okay. Reload the memory. Let's go. Okay. Okay. It put the high. If you can look right there. It put the high. So it's starting to work. hold up, hold up. Alright, let's see if I can get some Publixes. Man, my tummy be rumbling. But if you guys look closely, it worked. It worked. Right there. It worked. It actually worked. So that's a great thing right there. That worked. The thing about it is it's not working completely. So I'm gonna have to make sure, well, any groups set helper suffix and then put like I don't know, nothing. I don't want none on there, like E. So we don't have to. Then we can put any. Where did you go? Come on. There, okay. Hopefully she logs back in soon. Okay, that makes sense now. Okay, a little bit of sense. Okay. Okay. Remove this command. Remove this command. I'm hoping I never have to do this again for this. This is just not right. Why make a plugin this? You have to be advanced almost in this. Remove this. Remove the inheritance. Forgot about that. Remove that. And that. And that. Okay. I'm gonna save that. And go back. And I'm gonna go to the config real quick. And this is what happens, guys. This is really this is the work. Like, you guys just see a couple of videos and you think, oh, this guy finished it really quick. Maybe, you know, you wouldn't really think a plugin would take so long, but like, for real. Watch it be like this plugin's broken. I'm trying to fix it. That'd be crazy. That would seriously be insane. Okay. Any reload file. It worked, as you can see. It actually did reload. That's very nice. That's very nice. That's a starting step right there, at least. But yeah, it removed the suffix at the end. Thing about it, it's not like continuing to rank up. Like, it's giving the person the first one that's on the groups. So yeah. What version is this? Additional collection user plugin 1.5.2 and 1.8. That's a big difference, bro. .x. So it should work. Wait a minute. Does it have? What build is this? Did I click download or did I click Interesting. Oh, last build was the last build. I didn't get the last stable build. Interesting. Okay, let's try it out. Let's try out the stable. Oh wait, it's the same thing. Wait, 724 and 65. It's the same thing. What's the difference about it? It's the same exact thing. It's the same build. Name tag edit, last stable build. It's right here. I think I downloaded the wrong one. This is a little bit different. Maybe it's not. What is this? No, it's the module builds. I don't need that. It's just a regular build. Yeah, it's a regular build. I don't need a module build. No, I got the wrong. I got the right one then. But let me look real quick. Did I get the original or did I get? Or did I get the new one? That's unstable. Name. Where is it at? I don't see it. I'm trying to look through the config. I don't see it. I don't see the little name. I got the original one. Interesting. The original one is actually tiny. No way. The original one is like almost nothing compared to the new one. Are you serious? Like, really? Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go for the better one. So let me just download that right now. So yeah, download the jar file for that one. This one is it's name tag edit. The other one had original name tag edit, and it was like it's pretty much like 10 times. This one's 10 times like bigger. So it would only make sense that this plugin would be a little bit better. I might have to reload the whole server. I've been working on this for like like an hour right now on video. Like I'm telling you guys, this thing is so like it could be that maybe because if I look in the file, okay, there's two files. When you go to download, there's two files. It says build 19 and it shows name tag edit and it shows original name tag edit. And I only got one of those. I don't think I'm supposed to get both of those. You know what I mean? Let's see what the configuration looks like. If it got overwritten, then it's a no. It's a no-go. That means it's supposed to be separate. What do you want me to do? Good time so much here. Trying to make it to trying to fix this. Don't you know? Original, okay, that one's on there. Where's the name one? Name tag edit, there it is. Let's see if this worked. Hopefully. I'm waiting for Lips to log on right there. Let's see if it's gonna work. Let's see what happens. Ooh. It changed it, I think. Yeah, it did. It did. It changed it. It changed it. It changed. If I look in the config right now, it doesn't look the same, I don't think. Or does it? I don't remember it looking like that. It might be the same. Let me see, let me reload. Reload the site and see if we can fix this. Maybe not, because I'm kinda getting tired and hungry. And I kinda wanna get up and go eat some Publix. Oh, look at that. Alright, let's see, what's the name tag? Name tag. Name tag, name tag, name, name. It seems like it combined. 724.44. Actually, no. Oh, did it? Config does not save. Yeah, the config doesn't save. I'm looking at the comments, and for some reason you have to do a lot of things in the actual game. Not work. The hold version on bucket perfect work. Interesting. So do I have to use the bucket one? Very buggy. Okay. There's a lot of people that are saying that. Doesn't work so good. Unstable. Unable to store data. Huh. So I'm not the only one. Interesting. It might be the build. Some guy said the bucket one worked, and this one doesn't. So it might be the bucket one. I mean, the bucket one, yeah. The bucket one might be the one that the other people are using that I saw. But the thing about it is the bucket one doesn't work. It says additionally the reflection and use will keep the plugin capable with several Minecraft versions, currently capable with 1.5.2 through 1.7.10. I'm running on 1.8.8, so it won't work. Yeah, this one's not gonna work. Wait, some guy said it didn't work for him. Is he trolling? Let's see. There's a bunch of people saying like 1.8 here, and that's the one I'm using, but it's not working. It's not stable. It's not that great. The thing about it is you have to be very careful as well. No, like I was saying, the thing about it is you have to be really careful because there's a lot of people saying, hey, this one works for 1.8, and one, it might be unstable. Two, it might just be a virus. So you have to be very, very careful. You know. Yeah, it just doesn't look like this one's gonna work though. So that's what it seems like. It seems like this one's broken and stuff, but there's not really much I can really do on that. It doesn't work. So from what I can tell, and the sad thing, I don't have nobody to log in and stuff. So I think what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna end the video there. I was trying to work on the thing, but Livs, I don't know, she was busy and stuff, and yeah, she's not logging back in yet, so I'm just gonna end the video there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Sorry if I kind of bored you guys on there, but you guys can just tell the dedication right there I just put into that, trying to fix that plugin, try to do the best I can to fix it. If I can't fix it, I'll probably see if I can download a different one that has better coding in it, because the one I had here wasn't like, I don't think it was a stable version, so you know, I don't know. I'll see what I can do and stuff, but you know, yeah. So yeah. Only if it would work, dude. Only if it would. It's pretty upsetting that it doesn't. Yeah. Alright. I'll see you guys later though, God willing. I'm pretty sad right now. A little bit disappointed and stuff. I'll see you guys later though, God willing. My name is Vasterz, aka G Saves. I'm signing out. May Jesus Christ be with you guys. God bless you guys. Make sure you live in the description down below. Has a lot of cool stuff down there, but I'll see you guys later, God willing. So yeah, God bless you guys. May Jesus be with you.
Break it down to a second, a millionth of a dream. Go, go, go for the limit with the power of believe. Just soak it up like a flower, like a summer field.